Alright guys, I am going to do a boat tour for EF Ultimate Breaks Cruise Croatia trip. Now remember, you are in the hotel in Split for the first 3 days, and then you are on the boat for the rest of the time. So I'm going to take you around our boat while everyone's kind of away doing their own thing, so that you guys can get a really good idea of what boat life is like. Alright, we are on the upper deck, room 6. Here's our room. Ours looks a little different because we're a couple, so we wanted one bed, obviously. So very nice, spacious. Here's our bathroom. Honestly, way more room than I was anticipating. Okay, so there are 4 floors on the boat, and we are on the top one that has room. So we're on, like, I guess technically the 3rd floor. And if you look at the front, you have some great sitting area. It's also where the captain drives. Beautiful sitting area. Very nice. You can see the front of the boat. Lots of drying rack for everyone because it just helps speed that along. And then here is the other side of this level of the boat. Super nice, more sitting area. These are all of our floaties that we have to use when we have our swim stops. More seating. So let's go up from the 3rd floor to the top floor. This is what the top floor looks like. It is really just open for sunbathing. We have this amazing sunshade so that we don't get too burnt or crispy. This is where a lot of people hang out when we are sailing because it's get a nice breeze, we read, all that good stuff. So once again, here's the front. You can see the level we were just on, and then here is the very top deck. Pretty spacious. Now let's go down to kind of the main floor. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Just getting a quick idea of what a boat would look like if you were to take this trip, and just like full transparency so you can kind of see everything, what you might be interested in. We are on the Ultimate Plus version, so every room has their own bathroom. There's max 2 people to a room, and then we all have air conditioning that we can control in our room as well. So definitely worth it. I'm also including a video of what our room looks like. That's for the couple, so we have 1 bed, but then I think it's a queen size too. Like, it's pretty big. And then everyone else has single beds in their rooms. the rooms in the bottom floor, they're slightly bigger than the rooms on the top floor, but the top floor have better views because you can see the water when you walk out your door. So, you know, it all kind of works out. We did a room lottery so that there wasn't just like a mad dash to see what room everyone wants. So it was very fair. We threw, you know, numbers in a hat or names in a hat and figured that out. So it was really, really nice. And I hope you guys, if you do decide to book this trip, you get this amazing crew and our amazing tour director, Ivana, because they've really just made the trip incredible. Also, we are currently docked in Dubrovnik, but this is the only port that we can't be in the city center, so that's why it looks like this. But normally we are docked right up on the water on the city line, so that it's super easy walk in and out. But even now our port is only like a 5-10 minute Uber ride, and they cost like €8, so not a big deal at all. Have a great day, guys. Happy traveling.